Hello, I am Harry, aka Plant Boy, and I am the research lead and project instigator at PlantGang. And today I just want to tell you a little bit more about what we've been up to. So we recently just got back from Expedition 1 out at the La Selva Biological Research Center in Costa Rica, where we were doing our initial scanning of plant specimens straight out of the rainforest to produce our first collection of scientific 3D model NFTs. Now, to explain why these are so crucial, it's nice to look at the traditional way of collecting plant specimens. So if you look at these two top images, traditionally plant specimens are captured as 2D pressings, and these are losing their 3D morphology and their coloration, and they're also confined to a single location, a herbarium. Now this comes with the issues of being only selectable to certain audiences and having these geolocational barriers to access. Conversely, our 3D models have a level of detail beyond that 2D scope. We're capturing the morphology and the color of the plant specimen way more attuned to how it would have been in its natural environment. And we're also removing any risks of handling the specimen, and because it's a digital asset, we can have it openly available for all for scientific research and educational purposes. Now, just to give you a better idea of what I'm talking about, here is a tree specimen taken from the rainforest in Costa Rica, and as we can see here, we've got epiphytes, and we can also have a look at a monstera specimen over here growing up the tree, and we've collected these with scientific metadata, so the geolocation, habitat information, associated species, phenology, and all these kind of bits of data that give it the scientific context that means it can be even more useful for scientific research and education. We also have other specimens like this orchid, which was captured in bloom, and this is a rare bloom and a very rare orchid specimen to capture, and so this bloom only lasts a few days and is pretty rare. And so it's a really nice moment to kind of capture and be able to share with botanists who might not be able to ever see this kind of thing in the real world, and capturing in 3D is a really nice way to kind of show this moment, and with that scientific data makes these a very useful 3D model specimen. So within this context, now hopefully you can appreciate why we're capturing these 3D models and why we want to kind of break down these barriers to accessing these important scientific tools. And if you're further interested in this, we're currently recruiting members from botanists to developers to 3D modelers and just general plant enthusiasts. So follow us at PlantGang XYZ on Twitter, or DM me on Twitter, and then you can join our Discord community, which is currently building up members who want to shape the future of PlantGang and be a part of this project going into Expedition 2. Thank you guys for listening.